Hello there, Jonathan here again from COHO, and today I'll be kicking off our finances spotlight. We've made a few upgrades recently, so I'm going to be taking you through what those look like from a landlord's perspective, from a managing agent's perspective, and finally from a master lease or a rent-to-rent perspective. But the most important thing to do before you even contemplate using the finances area of COHO is to ensure that the property ownership details are set up correctly against each property that you have in your portfolio. That will help us determine whether it is an owned, a managed, or a master lease. And that has an impact on things like the creating of settlements, profitability reports, and how we treat supply invoices, etc. So to do that, you'll need to log into your COHO account and go down to your properties. We'll take an example property here at 29 Bath Parade. Open that property up, and here you'll see the property button. If you click that, that will take you down to this section here. And for each new one, you'll have that little blue box just indicating that you need to add this information. It's not yet been added. Very simply, if you click Show Panel Content, it will now give you the option to add that property information against that property. You're then presented with three options, either owned, managed, or master lease. And it's really important that you get this right from the outset. This property in this scenario is going to be owned. There's no special scenarios or SVPs or anything attached to that ownership. It's a simple ownership. We can add notes. We can also add ownership files, and then you just need to click Add. So once you've done that, that then registers that property as being owned. It allows you to start creating, your profitability reports. If you're to select the managing or the managed option, then that would give you the option to create settlements as well for those landlords attached to it. So if you're to go up here and click Managed, you see here there's a few options. You can add in your agency fee, whether or not VAT is included, when that management fee is charged, and also when it's due, any sort of unique or specific setups for that property. And then here you've got two options, whether you're selecting it for an existing or a new landlord. If you select existing, it gives you a couple of options, as you can see here. If it's a new, you can add in that information and save it for future use as well. So really worthwhile going through these steps. That is the creation of property ownership. And that is the first thing that you'll have to do before you can look at setting up anything within finances and COHO. So hopefully that makes sense. As always, do just reach out if we can be of any help.